Okay, so here you can see what I'm going to build this project. Okay, minimum project, I mean mini project, not minimum. AI resume analyzer. I'm going to build this project, AI resume analyzer. Build an agent that read a resume text and return the structure analysis. Okay, so this is the mini project AI resume analyze. From pydantic, I'm going to import base model and field. Okay, so why we are going to create this project? We are building this project to understand how AI can read the structure text resume. We are building this project to understand how AI can read the unstructured text resume. Okay, like we have resume as unstructured format. So we are building this project to understand how AI read the unstructured text, okay, and convert it into a structured Python object like a database record. So basically resume maybe in clean format. Okay, so resume and maybe we have clean JSON of resume and easy to use in it. Okay, so first we have resume and then we can clean it in JSON format and easy to use in app. Okay, so first I import these three from pydantic import base model and field. So base model equals to create the structured data model, like field equals to add. Okay, and then field equals to add, and this is used for create the valid data structure. Okay, create the structured data model. Okay, and field equals to add something. Okay, and I'm going to use list equals to use when we expect multiple values like skills of list. Okay, and here I'm going to import agent with the help of pydanticAI. Agent equals to AI system that return the structure output. Okay, and here I need to create one class. Okay, so class equals to resume. Okay, here I need to pass this base model for validate our data, and here I need to use columns. Okay, so this class, this is the data structure with the, okay, like a blueprint. It tell AI what exactly, I mean what exact field we want in output. Okay, so with the help of this class we will understand, or I mean we will tell AI what exact field we want in output. Okay, so here we have, actually I already have some line inside this. I'm going to copy from here and paste it here. So here we have name. Inside this class we have name. So here you can see name of a name should be in string. Candidate name, that should be in string, and you can say text. And years of experience of candidate. So like experience in a year, or it should be number. Okay, so that's why we have integer. And skills you can see multiple skill storage, a list of string. Where is it? This one. Okay, education. So here you can see education. Education should be in string. Education in detail. Okay, so it should be in text. Strength is what? List of string. Okay, strong point, list format. Okay, gaps equals to missing skill or weakness here. So missing skills or weakness, list format. Okay, and score should be an integer, and we have field inside this. I'm going to add greater than 1 and less than equals to 10. G means greater than equals to, and L means less than equals to. So here field equals to rule setter. Field is a rule setter. G greater or equal, or L equals to less or equal. Okay, so score must always be between 1 to 10. Okay, and after this I'm going to copy from here agent these lines. And now I'm going to create agent agent equals to system, agent equals to agent. Okay. Okay, and here I pass model name. This is our model name. Output equals to resume. Output type equals to resume. I need to pass here. Okay, output type equals to resume. So I pass this here. Okay, so here we are going to tell AI to return output in a resume format. This is our resume format. Okay, structured data, and we have after this. I need to remove this. We don't need for this. Okay, and system prompt analyze resume carefully. Okay, so these are our system prompts. Okay, so here in system prompt analyze resume carefully. I'm going to instruct to AI here. Okay, a score must be between 1 to 10 here. Okay, so this is a strict rule for output and return valid structure JSON only. Okay, so here structure response I got from AI. I will get from AI. Okay, so here I need to use bracket, comma, again bracket. Okay, this bracket is closed here and this bracket is closed here. This one opening and this one is closing. Okay, so this is our one agent. Now we have another variable sample equals to. Okay, name equals to search Sarah Chen, year of experience 4 years, skill Python, fast API, developers, and education BSc computer science. Okay, so this is a raw resume text, unstructured data. Okay, so here after this, guys, you can put your CV here. Okay, I just do this raw data. This is a small project I'm building. A strong project and large project in the end of this course. Okay. So after this, I'm going to create one variable res. Res equals to await agent dot run. Here I'm passing analyze analyze this resume. Analyze this resume. Here I pass /n. Inside this I'm going to pass sample. Okay. Sample this one. Okay, so here with the help of this, we are going to send resume text to the AI for processing. Okay, so you can see here, I'm going to use res await and agent this one, run this user query, analyze this resume and sample. Inside this, I pass this data. Okay, and here after this, I'm going to write here one line data. Data is the variable name. res dot output. Response का output चाहिए हमें with the help of output. Okay, so here AI response is automatically converted into a resume object, not a raw text. So AI response is automatically converted into a resume object here. AI response converted automatically into a resume object. Okay, and here I print name. Name equals to data.name. This is the variable and this is the user name, this one. Okay, again we have experience, data.experience. This is the data and experience, this one. Okay, and here we have skills, education, strength, gap and scores. Okay, and here data.skills, data.score. Okay, I'm going to run this. Okay guys, so it is giving us username is this Sarah Chen, experience 4 year and skills this Python fast API, broker AWS and score is 8. Okay guys, so this is a resume analyzer. This project is based on resume analyzing. Okay, based on PydanticAI. गाइस पायरेंटिक एआई क्या है, बस हम यहाँ पर फील्ड लगा रहे हैं ये for check the data validation, and it is giving us proper answer and clear structure here. Okay, so now I have finished this. Now before this you can see here in summary. Okay, summary for week 2, create an agent. Okay, concept, I have created agent here with the help of agent, and I pass model name system prompt. Here you can see inside this I have agent के we pass system prompt. This is the system prompt model name and output type. Okay, and type output result, I use this. Okay, result type equals to your model. Dynamic system prompt agent dot system prompt, I use this decorator here. Okay, user context depths. Okay, so I use this depths type equals to your data class. Multi-turn chat message underscore history result dot new message. Okay, जब मैंने यहाँ पर एक क्रिएट करके बताया था ये वाला, उसको मेमोरी में रखा इसने, पुराने वाले को टर्न को इसने इस यहाँ पर मैंने उसको दिया था है माय नेम इज निधि एंड आई एम लर्निंग पाइथन, और मैंने उससे दोबारा पूछा कि व्हाट इज माय नेम एंड व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. सो इट इज सेड, इट इज सेइंग हियर my your name is Nidhi and you are learning Python. That's it. This is used for memory. I use here memory underscore history. Okay. And async agent await agent dot run. Okay guys, तो यहाँ पर हम async agent यूज कर रहे हैं. आप ऑलरेडी पढ़े होंगे async function, asynchronous in fast API. Okay. So now I have finished. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ मनीष? What happening? Oh Manishi, what happening?